Hey guys, Beery here. Just finished the end of year 2025 stats. I want to go over the market rate stats for the northern half of Florida, some shocking increases in sales volume, pricing, all that stuff. Let's check it out. Okay, so let me set up the scene here. This is all the sales volume by month across all the different years for the last 10 years. Here's 2025. First thing is $2.2 billion done, which is literally more than double of last year. That's crazy. The next thing to look at is look at the sales volume per month. With the exception of January, almost every single month was an absolute obliteration of last year, especially starting about this time frame in May. If you can look at, I mean, that's probably 6 times the volume there, and it continues on down. Huge jumps, about the same in October. Don't know what happened in November, but boy, did it make up for it at 5x on December closings. Huge month, 19 closings in December of 2025. In fact, if you look at history, it was the third highest December in the last 10 years, almost the second highest right here. And then overall, in terms of total dollar volume, again, it was fourth overall in the last 10 years, but just behind 2020 volume. Another crazy stat is the average transaction size per transaction, almost $21 million per deal, which is literally the second highest in the last 10 years. Might be the second highest in history. I'm sure there weren't numbers that were bigger than that before 2016, and barely under the 2021 mark, which was the height of all markets. And lastly, from this chart, I'll show you that obviously December, if you look at the total, this is the addition of all years here. December is historically the biggest month of the year, but that was a really big one. In fact, all of fourth quarter is usually the biggest of the year. And then, of course, January will slow down. February is by far the slowest of all the months, so expect that coming up. And I'll end with this. Activity is way up for January. January 5th was basically the first Monday back from the holidays, and I expected it to be busy, but man, it was crazy busy. My current stats, which I've never had probably this much activity at the beginning of a year, I currently have 8 active listings. All of them have some action on them. I'm doing 7 BOVs simultaneously right now. Those are opinions of value. We've got 2 deals closed already in the first 3 weeks of January. I've got 3 in escrow. I've got 5 letter of intents going back and forth right now. If you're a buyer and you're waiting around for distressed assets or really good pricing, that ship has sailed. I'll send you another video. Sales price per unit in 2025, even if I remove all the new construction deals that happened, was up 20%. Let me repeat that. Closing sales price per unit for market rate assets for the entire northern half of Florida for every deal over 10 units was up 20% over 2024. It was up 30% in pricing if I include all the new construction sales. So that ship has sailed. You just need to get back in and start buying. And if this is a year where you're thinking about possibly selling, I always advise clients you want to come to market when you're riding the wave of excitement for deals. All right. I hope this information was helpful. See you on the next one.